But we're going to take this information now and we're going to calculate a second number based on the percentage of completion called theoretical earnings. Let me give you a reason that we do this. Remember, we don't recognize the profit from a job until what happens? It's done, right? Until then, we're just tabulating costs and we're tabulating billings. We're doing all that, but we're not showing the profit until it's done. Is it feasible to think that in January we worked like crazy to work on some projects but didn't complete any in January? Is that possible? But did we have expenses during the month of January? Did we have to pay the rent? Did we have to pay the receptionist? Did we have to pay the telephone bill? We had all these expenses with absolutely no revenues because no jobs were completed. Now, if you were going in with January's financial statements into a bank or to an investor and show them that you had all these expenses but no sales or revenue, how anxious would they be to share their money with you?
Not really.
Not really. Yet, could you have actually or theoretically been very profitable during January? Just not showing it. So the purpose of the next calculation is to determine how much in profit we have theoretically earned on jobs that aren't yet complete. In other words, if we're halfway through a job, would it stand to reason that theoretically we have earned half the profit on that? We haven't recognized it, it's not shown in our income statement, but we have theoretically earned it, okay? We don't record any of these numbers. There's no entry on the books. It is simply, well, I'll show you how to use it in just a moment. Now, in order to do that, we have to calculate the profit for each of the jobs. So job number one, what is our expected total profit on job number one once it's complete? $10,000. How did you get that, Ethel?
I subtracted the estimated total from the bid plus change order.
Excellent. You took the expected cost, what we thought it was going to cost us, which was $40,000. You subtracted that from the bid plus change orders of $50,000, and you got $10,000 in profit. Okay, go ahead and calculate the gross profit for each of these 5 jobs, list it, and then, even though there's not a place provided for it, add those up. Let's just see what the expected profit on all 5 jobs will be, and just write that somewhere there on the page.